How to fix apps not opening on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get unresponsive apps launching properly again on your PC. First, right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and click on Task Manager. From there, check if the app you are trying to open is already listed as a background process. At this point, if it is, right-click on it and click on End Task to fully close it before trying to reopen it. From there, try launching the app again and check if it opens now. After that, if the app is still not opening, go to the Start button and go to Settings. In the next step, click on Apps and then click on Installed Apps. From there, search for the app that is not opening and click on the three dots next to it. Once done, click on Advanced Options. Following this, scroll down and click on Repair to let Windows attempt to fix the app automatically. From here, try opening the app again after the repair completes. At this stage, if it is still not opening, go back to Advanced Options for that app. From there, click on Reset to restore the app to its default settings. Keep in mind this may clear any app-specific data or preferences. After this, restart your PC and try launching the app once more. Keep in mind, if the app is a Windows system app and resetting does not help, you may need to reinstall it through the Microsoft Store, while third-party apps may need to be uninstalled and downloaded fresh from their official website. Finally, if nothing has worked, check Windows Update in Settings and install any pending updates, as a system update may resolve underlying issues preventing apps from opening. And that's it! If this guide helped you fix apps not opening on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.